Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancake yellow. Start by using extra egg yolks and a splash of whole milk to enrich color and texture. Add a pinch of turmeric for natural, vibrant yellow without changing taste. Whisk gently to combine air and color evenly. Cook on medium heat so pancakes brown slowly and keep their bright yellow center for a cheerful breakfast. For vivid yellow pancakes, use 2 extra egg yolks per cup of flour and a splash of whole milk. Mix in 1/8 teaspoon turmeric for color without flavor impact and avoid overmixing to keep fluffiness. Use a light hand with salt and sugar so the yellow remains the star. Let batter rest briefly to hydrate flour and allow color to distribute evenly before cooking on medium heat. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how people think about money and personal priorities, and it pairs humorously with pancakes as a reminder to invest in simple habits. Look in the description for the link and special deals, grab a copy if curious, and now let's get back to the video. Heat your pan to medium so pancakes cook through without dark spots that hide yellow color. Use a small amount of oil wiped thinly to protect color and prevent sticking. Pour batter in even rounds and watch for bubble tops and set edges before flipping once. Keep cook time short on the second side to retain moist, yellow centers and serve warm for best visual and flavor impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.